Hello my dear children, welcome to your e-learning class. This is Mansi Bansal, your computer teacher.
So children, in our previous class we have already learned that how to format a MS Word document. So we already know how to start MS Word. So let me tell you firstly how to start MS Word. You need to just press the window key with R key and you will find Run dialog box. Here you need to type WIN WORD word and press the enter key. So using the keyboard we have started MS Word. Now let us see about the chapter, that is first topic is finding the test. So I have already typed some content for you. I am opening that content here. I will click on this office button and you can see in recent documents my document is already being shown here. So I am clicking on this and you can see it is showing you about finding the test. So what is finding the test? When you are working with large documents, Word provides the facility to search your document using the find feature and change words and phrases using the replace option. Means when we are working with large documents, जब हम large document के साथ work करते हैं, then using this find feature we can search a particular word. एक particular word को हम search कर सकते हैं and then we can replace also. उस word को हम अपने according, अपने requirement के according किसी दूसरे word से replace भी कर सकते हैं. So how to do that? You can see in home tab there is an option of find and replace. So I show you it. You can see completely this find and replace. And you can see the shortcut key for find is CTRL plus F, which is already being shown here, and the shortcut key for replace is CTRL plus H, that is also being highlighted here. Okay, so these both options are available in the editing group in the home tab. Okay, so let's click on this find option firstly and let us see what is happening with this. Click on this find and you will see this dialog box will appear before you. When you will click on find, then you will see this find and replace dialog box will appear. Here you need to type the word which you want to find. कौन सा word आपको search करना है, you need to type that word. Suppose I need to search feature word, then FEATURE feature I have typed here. Okay, now let's click on this find next. So you can see feature is highlighted here. It means it has find the word feature. Okay, if you again click on find next, then what will happen? It will search it again. Okay, from here it will continue its searching. So click on again, feature word is not found. Only one was found and it is highlighted here. So click on OK. And you can see if you click on this more, then some more options are available here, like match case, find whole words only, and other also. Let us see what is this match case. If we check this match case, then what will happen? It will also match the case, like small letter, capital letter. Like अगर मैंने ये feature को capital letter में लिखा FEATURE, then ये पूरा इसको मैच करेगा कि कैपिटल लेटर में ही जो फीचर उसको मिलेगा उसी को ये हाईलाइट करेगा. ओके, सो मैच केस विल मैच द केस ऑल्सो, स्मॉल लेटर एंड कैपिटल लेटर. तो अभी इसको ये फाइंड नहीं कर पाएगा क्योंकि ये वाला कैपिटल में है और जो हमारे MS वर्ड के डॉक्यूमेंट में लिखा है डेट इज इन स्मॉल. सो बट इट कैन नॉट फाइंड. ओके, द सर्च आइटम वाज नॉट फाउंड. ओके, so if we check this find whole words only, then what will happen? It will only find the word if the whole words match. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि फीचर के आगे, अभी तो अगर हम फीचर के आगे यहाँ पे फीचर के आगे कुछ और भी लगा होता, सपोज ING लगा होता, देन उसको भी ये फाइंड कर देता. लेकिन अब इस केस में क्या करेगा, अगर हम इसको चेक कर देंगे, देन ये पूरा वर्ड अगर उसको एग्जैक्ट ऐसा ही मिलेगा, देन इट विल ओनली फाइंड. ओके, तभी इसको ये हाईलाइट करेगा. सो दीज बोथ थिंग्स कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड, मीन्स ऑल इस तरह का आप फिल्टर भी इसमें लगा सकते हैं कि कितना ये इसको फाइंड करे. नेक्स्ट इज रिप्लेस. सो हाउ टू रिप्लेस इट? रिप्लेस इट मीन्स ये जो वर्ड है इसकी जगह पे दूसरा वर्ड आप लिख सकते हैं. लाइक फीचर हमने फाइंड किया था, दिस इज बीइंग हाईलाइटेड हियर. यू कैन सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट राइट दैट विदाउट मैचिंग द केस feature and then find it, and you can see it is being highlighted here. Now you have to replace it with other words. Suppose I need to replace it with tool. So you need to type here replace it with tool and then click on this replace option. Already replace now. जो हमारा feature word यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. Okay, and if you click on this replace all option, then what will happen means जितनी जगह भी हमारे वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में फीचर लिखा हुआ होगा उन सारों को ये क्या करेगा, टूल वर्ड से रिप्लेस कर देगा, उन सब की जगह पे ये टूल लिख देगा. Okay, so this way we can use the find and replace options to find any word, to search any word, and then replace that word with any other word. Okay, now next thing is shapes. So what are the shapes? Shapes क्या होते हैं? Some prepaid shapes are available here. कुछ हमारे पास shapes हैं like circle, rectangle, these all kinds of shapes you know already. Okay, so how to insert those shapes? You need to just go in the insert tab, and here you can see this shapes option is coming in illustration group. Okay, so you can click on this arrow and you can see so many kinds of shapes are available here. We can take any shape with whatever we need to put in our document. Suppose I need to put star, then I will take this star, and when you will take any shape then your mouse pointer will change like this. ठीक है, माउस पॉइंटर हमारा चेंज हो गया, मैंने वहाँ पे स्टार पे क्लिक किया था, then you can see mouse pointer change हो गया. Now what we have to do, we just need to drag our mouse. हमें माउस को ड्रैग करना होगा and you can see shape will be drawn. So this way we can draw any shape, and when the shape is complete, when you stop dragging your mouse, then you will see हमारे पास ऊपर drawing tools आएंगे and format tab आएगा. So here in format tab you can see so many styles are available for the shape. So you can take any style whatever you like. Suppose this style, and if you don't like any style you can make your own style using the shape fill. You can fill any color inside this. Okay, and you can put a picture also inside this shape using this picture option. Using the pattern you can put a pattern also. Using this texture you can put the texture also inside this shape. Okay, and you can change the line color, outline color of the shape like this. Yellow I take, and you can change the shape also using this. So all these options are available here in format tab. If you need to write something inside this shape, then what you have to do, you have to right click and you can click on this add text. Okay, and you will see cursor is being shown inside this shape. So what you need to type, suppose I need to type good luck. Good luck, you need to type it. Then select it and you can format it as you used to format your word. ओके, जैसे हम फॉर्मेट पहले करते थे वैसे ही हम इसको फॉर्मेट करेंगे. ओके, एंड यू कैन सी द वर्ड इज नॉट बीइंग शोन इन द शेप, सो आई जस्ट इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ द शेप एंड यू कैन सी गुड लक इज बीइंग शोन. आई कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द कलर ऑफ द राइटिंग यूजिंग दिस. ओके, so this way you can insert a shape and format it as per your requirement. Now let's just delete this shape. Just select it. Just select, and you also need to rotate the shape if you need to rotate it. Suppose आपको rotate करना है ये shape, then what you have to do, you have to put your mouse pointer over this green circle. You can see this green circle is being shown here. You can put your mouse pointer there, and then mouse pointer will change into this shape. You can see ये shape हमारा यहाँ से change हो जाएगा. We just need to drag the mouse. Mouse को drag करेंगे left to right, and you can see shape is being rotated. So you can also rotate the shape as per your choice. Okay, now I am doing Ctrl Z since I want to undo. Now I am deleting this shape. Next is inserting word art. Word art, what is word art? Word art are some prepaid text effects. कुछ special text effects हैं, like हमने कुछ भी लिखा, ठीक है, जैसे ये inserting word art, ये सिंपल तरीके से लिखा है. We can also write in design way. इस चीज़ को हम एक डिज़ाइन वे में लिख सकते हैं. Some built-in special text effects are available in MS Word and they are known as the word art. ठीक है, कुछ यहाँ हमारे पास ऑलरेडी कुछ टेक्स्ट के इफेक्ट्स होते हैं जिनको यूज़ करके हम अपनी जो भी चीज़ लिखना चाह रहे हैं उसको बहुत अच्छे से इफेक्टिव वे में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, डिज़ाइन वे में लिख सकते हैं, स्टाइलिश लगेगा वो. तो उसको कैसे लिखते हैं, वी नीड टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट एंड यू विल सी देयर इज ऑप्शन ऑफ वर्ड आर्ट इन द टेक्स्ट ग्रुप. ओके, this is word art, and if you click on this arrow you can see so many kinds of special text writing effects are available. So whatever you need to take, you have to just click on that and you will see ये हमारा dialog box आ गया. ठीक है, whatever you want to write, suppose I want to write good luck, write the good luck and then click on OK, and you can see हमने जब हमारा माउस पॉइंटर जहाँ पे रखा था वहीं पे ही अवेलेबल हो गया है. So we can put it here also. ठीक है, just pick it and drag it wherever you need to put it. And when you will put any word art, then again you will see word art tools and format tab. Here you can do so many things with this word art. You can change it. You can change the style of the word art as per your requirement. Okay, suppose this I have taken. Then you can also change the color which is filled inside using this. You can change the shape outline. Outline कैसी रहेगी इसकी? Shape इसका कैसा रहेगा? Like this. Okay, you can take any shape whatever you like. Okay, I like that shape. And so many 3D effects also you can put here. Rotate also you can do from here. Okay, so this way we can use the word art and we can write the test in a effective way, in a design way. Okay, next is inserting clip art. So what is clip art? Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly into a document. कुछ हमारे पास यहाँ पे प्री डिजाइन पिक्चर्स होती है. सपोज आई नीड टू पुट अ पिक्चर इनसाइड दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. मुझे कोई पिक्चर लगानी है, यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर की पिक्चर लगानी है एंड आई डोंट हैव द पिक्चर राइट नाउ इन माय कंप्यूटर. मेरे कंप्यूटर में भी कंप्यूटर की कोई पिक्चर नहीं है. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब एंड हियर यू विल फाइंड क्लिप आर्ट एंड इलस्ट्रेशन टैब. क्लिक ऑन दिस क्लिप आर्ट. When you will click on this clip art, then at the right side you will see clip art dialog box will come. Here whatever you need to find, जो भी पिक्चर आपको फाइंड करनी है, you just need to type the name. फाइंड करनी है, then I will write computer and then click on this go, and you will see so many pictures are there. Okay, suppose I put this picture, click on this. Simply you need to click on this and you can see हमारी पिक्चर यहाँ पे आ चुकी है. Okay, now again you can see this green arrow can be used for rotating. We can rotate it as per our requirement, and these handles can be used to enlarge it or to resize it. ठीक है, जितना बड़ा जितना छोटा आपको करना है, these circles will be used for that. Okay, now again you will see picture tools format tab. When you will insert this clip art, then again you will see this format tab, and from these options you can change the style of the clip art. जो एक picture या clip art आपने insert की है, you can change the style of that. ठीक है, so many prepaid styles are there. You can also make it according to your choice using this picture shape. You can take the shape which you want for the picture. Okay, so many shapes are available here. Okay, and then picture border can be used to put a border outside the picture. Then picture effects can be used for applying some 3D effects on the picture. You can do the rotate also from here. Okay, so these all options you will find in format to make your picture as per your requirement. Okay, so clip art, what is clip art? Clip art are already pre-designed pictures. Prepaid pictures are there, built-in pictures are there which can be put directly into your document. Okay children, so this much for today. I hope this was helpful for you, and in the next class we will continue with the chapter. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.